I graduated 11 years ago now, so I've been working as an artist for about 10 years. And I think you have a very romantic idea of art and the art world and being an artist when you first graduate. But I think there's a lot of hard lessons along the way, and I think it kind of makes you a bit more realistic about the work and the career of it. I think people don't realize that it's a lot of work, and it is a full-time commitment, and it's full-time or it's not at all. So I guess I'm at a point now where I'm a lot more aware of what the art world entails, and I think I'm a lot more confident about my abilities and my position in that world. For a long time my work dealt with notions of displacement and belonging, and I used the body as a sort of site for kind of creating this mythological language and developing these figures around that. And I think now the work is still to do with displacement and belonging, but I'm dealing a lot more with space and location and occupancy and displacement, and especially with relation to South Africa, looking at this kind of broad spectrum of people that exist here and how different people feel this sense of belonging and welcomeness, and how other people perceive that as well. So I'm kind of using that as a sort of springboard to make work. My current practice, or a lot of what I've been doing for this upcoming exhibition, is working with handmade paper. So I work with a paper mill, and we use sisal fibers. Sisal is an invasive plant in South Africa, so it has a very interesting relation to these notions of belonging in South Africa.